guys, in today's video I'm going to go over how to turn this off, your drone. It's pretty basic. All you have to do is just press it once and then again really quick, but hold it down until it turns off. So just watch as I do this. Press it once, twice, hold on to it, and there you go. That's how you know it turned off, because there's no lights, there's nothing there. So that's how you guys can turn this off. Same thing pretty much with your controller. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.